Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to charge your BMW X2 hybrid. To begin, it's important to know that your X2 hybrid uses a Type 2 connector for all charging, whether at home or public stations. This guide will help you understand the various charging options and their typical durations. We'll cover everything from standard household outlets to dedicated wall boxes, ensuring you can keep your hybrid ready for every journey. Charging at home offers great convenience. You can use a standard 3-pin household socket for what's known as level 1 charging. This method typically takes about 5 hours to fully charge your 10 kilowatt-hour battery. For a quicker charge, consider installing a dedicated wall box. This level 2 option can fully replenish your battery in approximately 3 to 4 hours, providing around 30 miles of electric range. When you're out and about, public charging stations are readily available. Your BMW X2 hybrid uses a Type 2 connector for these AC charging points. While many public chargers offer higher power, your vehicle's onboard charger will limit the input to 3.7 kilowatts. It's important to remember that this plug-in hybrid model does not support rapid DC fast charging, so plan your stops accordingly for AC charging. To get the most out of your BMW X2 hybrid's electric capabilities, always ensure a secure connection when plugging in. Regular charging helps maintain your battery's health and ensures you always have electric range available. Remember, the charging port is conveniently located on the left front side of your vehicle. By following these simple practices, you'll enjoy seamless and efficient hybrid driving.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.